Hey friends, I'm Rifat Erdem Sahin, and today I'm going to show you how to build an AI agent that sends emails using MCP. With Python, by the end of this video, you will have a working email agent plus a Python file that you can customize and build on top of it. Let's jump in. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. This is the standard that lets your AI agents communicate with a structured, secure, extendable way to be able to reach the cloud. This is a glue between your AI logic and Microsoft ecosystem, Google ecosystem. It's going to help you be able to trigger the tools for yourself. In this tutorial, we will focus on sending the email, and we are going to use a simple starting point for you to be able to understand the AI agents and add capability. The Python setup is going to help you to be able to go through a plain text. You will be able to copy the action that you got from the LLM, and you will be able to use an environment file to be able to send it to the cloud. Normally, once you ask the email agent to send an email, it won't be able to send anything. But with the system that we are going to create, it will have all the capacity to be able to send the email that you want. So a new feature will be added for your agent. I will make sure the process is secure. So we are going to have your passwords stored in an environment file, which is going to help you not share the necessary passwords with other people. I will also give you the Python file down below in the video section that you should be able to go ahead and download the video file, and you will be able to rubber duck this process and learn how to load the environment, how to send the email, and how to get through this process. I want to make sure this is so generic and everybody understands. You need to be able to make your AI smarter for yourself. In the email action, we are going to write the simple logic to be able to send the email. You can just ask ChatGPT to write down you a simple Python file to be able to send this email. It's going to use something called a library that it's going to connect to the Gmail server to be able to send it. So normally what you do it is you go ahead and open Gmail to be able to send your emails. But in this format, you have already done that in the background like a small automation. So once you tell your agent send an email, your agent will be able to send the emails you want. While you are typing to your agent, you can easily send basic emails to your friends, to your relatives, to your workmates. In this email, you will be able to set up prompts to stop your email agent to work. So you can have a last check before hitting the send. So that's very, very critical. But what we are doing is we are going to stay inside the AI agent to be able to send this email. We are not going to go to Gmail to be able to do this because more and more time is going to get spent on the AI agent website. I have packaged everything into a Python file, so it is very easy for you to start. But if you want to go into coding, I will definitely suggest you to go into coding because I have an experience in coding as well as in operations. But this is a good small starting point. So make sure that you start your coding journey or operations journey with this. So this is going to help you out. I'm also including simple prompts that you can use to be able to send this email. Go ahead and download it down below so it will help you understand and go a bit further. Email using the cloud desktop. I'm going to send a happy birthday email directly to my own email address from info@Extensible to Rifat Erdem Sahin. So it's going to write the email directly for me, and it's going to directly send it without even asking me because I have already set it to true, and it should be able to send it directly to my email. Now I will log into my email and see what email that I've got. I see that info@pexable.com, my old company's email. I'm able to get an email on top with the Japanese spice on it. And I made sure that while I'm getting it, I got it directly at the same minute. And I can right now come here and send this email again. This time include some emojis and add a daily affirmation. It really depends on what you are doing at that time. Focus on making your system work easily and using the agent's power to be able to automate this process for yourself and being able to use it without going to different user interfaces and do everything in one single UI. Now we see that perfect. It has sent the email. We can just go and check it, and it says what it has sent in down below, but not with the details. If we need to go in detail, we will be able to see at the bottom there's the daily affirmations and there is the action coming on. But the problem is there is no emojis. So in next videos, I will talk about the length chain and we will go over what we can do and make sure this is more fail safe and it is more tested for us. The ability to be able to send the email in the future. I will not go deep dive in this video, but you can customize this process for further features. I hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to the channel and comment. I'm really looking for the feedback on what kind of a content that I should create that's going to help you guys out. I would love to see how you build this agent and tag me and share it. I hope to see you next time.